Hello, my name is Yvonne and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our spring and summer discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages, and I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our spring and summer discovery program, we have created a summer discovery take-home activity kit. Today I will be showing you how to use our Tassel Bookmarks kit. At the end of our demonstration, I will provide a link to our online Spring and Summer Discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit your local library to pick up a game card. Did you know that the original form of weaving dates back to the Stone Age? Humans used different grasses to weave baskets and other household goods. Nowadays, most weaving is done on industrial machines, but textile arts, including knitting, weaving, and embroidery, remain a popular hobby and trade among craftspeople around the world. In this activity, you will learn to use embroidery floss to create a unique bookmark. Let's get started! For this activity, you will find the following materials in your kit: scissors, jumbo paper clips, and embroidery floss. Select your embroidery floss color. Cut a length of floss that is 6 feet long, which is approximately 72 inches. Now wrap the strand around your 4 fingers until it's all used, approximately 15 times. Pinch the floss in the middle and then cut open the loops on one side. Slide the paperclip into the still looped side. Cut a piece of the floss about 6 inches in length and tie it tightly around the tassel close to the paperclip. Now you have your new bookmark. Interested in learning about other crafts that use embroidery floss? Check out Friendship Bracelets All Grown Up by Suzanne McNeill from your closest library and make something awesome for yourself or a friend. We hope you enjoyed the Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at lacountylibrary.org/spring-summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now!